على عبد الرحمن البداع.
It's an honor to be here tonight with the extraordinary residents of Minneapolis from Somalia. Please give yourselves a round of applause for the gift that you are to the city. Thank you to the Somali residents of Minneapolis. So we don't need a translation? Okay, good. Well then let's have a talk here. It's not my job mayor of Minneapolis to choose who is the president of Somalia. But it is my job as the mayor of Minneapolis, and it is the role of everyone in Minneapolis to celebrate any moment of peace, any moment of unity that can bring together the many peoples of the great country of Somalia. We need unity, we need peace. Thank you for taking another step forward to bring peace to that wonderful, wonderful country. One of the horrible things that has happened in this world is to see the country of Somalia torn apart by so much strife for so many years. It is something that we've grieved about for a long time here. But if there is any gift that has come from the horrible warfare in Somalia, it has been the gift of you. The gift that here in this community of Minneapolis, where I grew up, there was barely anyone here in the streets of Minneapolis who knew what Somalia was. And slowly, and then very quickly, over the years, we learned very much. Not only what happened in Somalia, but who the Somalians were. And one by one, as we got to know the members of Somalia, the people who came here, the children who are now succeeding in our schools, the people who are starting businesses here, the friends that we have made, we have learned that the world that has separated us is closer, and that Somalia and Minneapolis are really one. We are one world, one place, all together. Thank you for your gift of being here with us as one place. As we go forward, all of us, not just people in Minneapolis, but everyone in the United States, needs to recognize that we have an enormous responsibility to give you every support we can to bring peace to Somalia. But I also want to say the incredible responsibility that all of us also have to make sure that those of you who are here, who are part of this community, can find an extraordinary home. And I especially want to thank you for the gift of your young people. Thank you so much for this next generation. I speak to every ninth grader in Minneapolis schools. I go into every ninth grade and I ask them about their careers because I want our young people to think about their future. And something remarkable happens when I do that. I ask all the children from all the different places what they want to do, and they all have big dreams. But I can tell you that every single high school I go into, the children with the biggest dreams, the ones who want to be doctors or attorneys or presidents, they don't even want to be mayors, they want to go further than that. The ones with the biggest dreams are the young people from Somalia. You are raising young kids who have high aspirations. Not everyone can say that. There are some young people in this community, some of your children, members of my city, who have not moved in the right direction. We must come together and bring peace to their lives as well. So our responsibility here is to say that we were working together to bring peace in Somalia and peace in Minneapolis, and together we can celebrate that we are one. So on this great night, I want to thank you and say that a world that so often is too much about war can say tonight that a great new president of the United States of America and a great new president of Somalia are bringing peace to great people. Thank you for the wonderful